Welcome to Medilink Talk, where we teach you to prevent diseases and stay healthy, making your home your first clinic, your kitchen your first pharmacy, and your food your first medication. Hi, I'm Dr. Jean-Pierre Kabongo, a family physician and founder of Home's Education Movement. In this episode, we are going to look at the health issues caused by chemical added to your food during its journey from the farm to your plate, especially the fourth phase of food supply chain, namely packaging of the food. So at this level, various chemicals used in food containers, wrappers, lining, and coating can leach into food, especially under heat and fat content or long storage conditions. So these are often not listed on the food labels, unfortunately, yet they pose growing health concern due to chronic low-level exposure. So here is a breakdown of the most concerning packaging-related chemicals and their associated health effects. Number one, the phthalates are also called plasticizers. So these are the chemicals that are used in soft plastics for packaging. They're used in tubing, in food processing, and their function is to make plastic more flexible and durable. Unfortunately, they do have some health risks, such as endocrine disruption. This is a big one, as they do interfere with estrogen and sometimes testosterone production. Number two, they are reproductive toxic, especially in male. They are linked to reduced sperm quality and fertility issues. I remember one young couple that came to see me. The man was 32 and the lady 28. They have been married for 5 years, trying, they would not get a child. Initially, the lady was thinking she was the problem, but we did all the investigation. The woman, the lady, it was okay. When we requested the sperm count from the man, I was shocked. The response came that he didn't have almost nothing in the seminal liquid. So the problem was lying with the man, and many of the problems can be caused by these chemicals. On the other hand, they can be neurotoxic. They are, for example, associated with attention and behavioral issues in children. They also increase the risk of obesity and insulin resistance. So that is posing what we call metabolic syndrome. Number two, bisphenols. This is big as well. You've heard about BPA. This is bisphenol A. We have as well BPS and BPF. So these are used in canned food linings, plastic containers, water bottles. So the function is to harden plastics and to prevent metal corrosion in the cans. They unfortunately cause us health issues such as hormonal imbalance. They do what we call hormone mimicry. So they tend to imitate, they react like hormones, yet they are not hormones. So they mimic estrogen effects. So one of the problems is they kind of adding what we call extra hormones because they act like hormones, and this causes what we call early puberty in children. They can also increase breast and prostate cancer risks. They also increase the risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes, and also thyroid disruption, and also possibly effects on fetal brain development. So if you see the number of people on thyroid supplement, you can understand why we are struggling with this hormonal imbalance. So please note that BPA, when they say BPA-free labels, are not always safer, because sometimes the BPS that we talk about and BPF can even be worse in disrupting the hormones. Number three, PFAS. So these are the names that sometimes we can't even pronounce. This is what chemical they use in grease-resistant fast food wrappers. If you go to take the pizza, you look at the inside pizza wrapping, you have a shiny thing that is making that to resist to grease. That is the chemical. They are used as well in microwave popcorn bags, pizza boxes, bakery peppers. They have, unfortunately, some health issues such as immune suppression. They reduce response to vaccines. They cause thyroid dysfunction. They can cause testicular cancers and also cause developmental delay in children. And they are linked to prenatal delay, especially before the child is being born. And they are also hormonal disruptor. And they do elevate cholesterol level. Please note that PFAS, that is the name of it, are nicknamed forever chemicals because they persist in the body and environment for years. Number 4, styrene, another funny name. So these are from polystyrene packaging. So they are used in foam cups. So the function is, because they are lightweight, is to insulate packaging. Unfortunately, they have some health risks, such as possibility of human cancer. So they are carcinogenic. Number 2, they can cause irritation of the eyes, skin, and respiratory tract. And the long-term exposure, they may affect the central nervous system. Number 5, mineral oil. So these are hydrocarbons such as MOH, MOSH. Once again, funny names that we can't pronounce. They are used in printing inks and recycled cardboard boxes. So their function is for the ink transfer and box integrity. The health risk are accumulation in human tissues, especially the liver, where they cause inflammation and granuloma. And they are also potentially carcinogenic, meaning they can cause cancer, especially the MOAH. So whenever you will see that abbreviation on the food, run away. Number 6, these are additives in plastics and coatings. Most of the time they are unlisted by law, so you won't even know that they exist in them. So this includes like UV stabilizers, antioxidants like BHT, flame retardants, and other byproducts of packaging production. So they have some health risks, which vary widely but may include oxidative stress, liver and kidney toxicity. So unfortunately, the accumulation of these chemicals, though in low dose, can after a long time become toxic, especially in children where we have some special concern, and in pregnant women where they can cause screen disruption. So far, if this content is helpful to you, please go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss science-backed health content like this one. And feel free to share and comment with friends and family. So what can you do to avoid exposure to this at this level? So to reduce exposure, we have to use glasses, stainless steel, or ceramic containers for food storage and reheating. Number 2, we need to avoid microwaving in plastic. Even if they say it is microwavable, please don't microwave food in a plastic. Number 3, we have to minimize canned food consumption unless cans are labeled BPA free, which once again guarantee nothing because BPA might not be there, but you have BPS, which can be as dangerous as BPA.